Let's talk today about current property condition and the buyer's right to request repairs, credits through escrow, or a price adjustment. The sticky wicket. So this is an area that most people do stress a lot about. Although California contracts are written that the property is being sold as is, the buyer does still have the right to request repairs, credits through escrow, a price adjustment, or a combination of any of these three. Once they do their investigation on the current condition of the property and receive all of the reports from the seller and natural hazard disclosures, that's when they'll find out if it's in a fire zone, flood zone, all of those kind of things. Once they receive all that, they do have the right to request any of those before mentioned options. However, the seller has absolutely no obligation to agree to any of them. The buyer, on the other hand, is still obligated to release their investigation contingencies within the pre-agreed time frame. So that is the sticky wicket. And a lot of people really do stress about it. Most of the time, there's not a lot to worry about, especially in this market. But every once in a while, things do arise that can be quite an issue. So I hope that you've learned something more today, and this would be another opportunity for negotiations between the buyer and the seller, or the seller finds another buyer if the buyer found something. Keep in mind, if you are the seller and you dig your heels in, if we have to find another escrow, you then do have to disclose everything the previous buyer found. Things to think about. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Take care.